we should be seeing some movement, either upside or downside movement in the next few days. So I'd say by the 22nd of March or 23rd of March, we would have we would know which direction we're going by then. Hi, this is Jason. I just want to give a quick update to the video I made last week in terms of the Bitcoin price prediction and its movement. So as I said last week, a cup and handle formation looked to be playing out. So you have your cup here and you have your handle here. And essentially what we saw was higher lows, but we were seeing a resistance point giving an ascending triangle. So what that means is with an ascending triangle, the closer we were getting to the apex, the more likelihood of a significant move to play out. And an ascending triangle is a bullish pattern in the bull market. That means that there was expecting to be a higher chance of an upside rather than a downside. But whatever the setup, if there's not enough volume to push it into the direction it should go, then it doesn't matter at the end of the day, as we have seen here. So what we're seeing here is if we take out the previous triangle here, and then we draw a new line of support. Essentially, that's the support, and then we have some resistance up here. So essentially, we have this now a downward moving channel, and there's local bearish in my opinion, short-term bearish. So as we can see, what could potentially happen is we bounce along this channel for a little bit. So that is a possibility. And if that is indeed the case, then what I'd say is the significant support level is around 48,000. We'll have to go down there. I'd expect some strong support there, as we've seen in the past. Resistance, support, resistance. So it is an important area. So I'd say 48,000 is the one to look out for if we do continue to move into the downside. Whilst if we move into the upside, I'd say the significant level is around 58,000. So we can see here it was a significant period of resistance, which caused a significant correction. And then here, we thought we broke out from this significant resistance, which gave us a very short-term massive pump, and then it corrected shortly after. And if you remember in my last video, what I was saying was this is a specific circumstance in that on the daily we saw a TD9, and also as a weekend, which meant there was a big a CME futures gap to fill as a result of this Saturday pump. So hence why we got this correction. But as we saw, the ascending triangle trying to form the cup and handle formation, that did not play out because there was not enough buy pressure. There was not enough volume in the buy side. And as a result, we are seeing this downward channel emerging. So there might be some recovery in the short term, but looking at the further horizon, we see this channel. And I would expect us to play around 48,000 and 58,000, which is a 10,000 difference. Back 1 year ago, you'd think that's a massive range to be playing on. But as we see with this pattern here and the levels we're at in terms of where Bitcoin is at now, it's relatively small in the larger scheme of things. So let's see how this pattern plays out. And hopefully, if we do if we do get to 48,000, that's probably a level where I will top up, as I expect it to hold on 48,000. If it doesn't, then that's not a good sign. So yeah, thank you for watching my video, and I'll catch you in the next one very soon.